Welcome to the AI series dedicated to the life sciences fraternity by Dr. Vidyasagar Kasagani, CEO, SolutionsMax Technology Services, Inc. Streamlining pharmaceutical packaging. AI optimizes drug manufacturing and packaging processes alongside automation to enhance efficiency. Enhancing traceability. AI combined with blockchain technology improves traceability of individual drug doses to minimize the risk of counterfeit products entering the supply chain. Improving defect detection. AI is employed to enhance defect detection in blister packaging, ensuring product quality by spotting defects early in the process. Optimizing labeling processes. AI and machine learning are incorporated into labeling and artwork creation to increase accuracy, reduce errors, and streamline the labeling process, preventing costly product recalls due to labeling errors. Increasing efficiency. AI-powered vision systems are used for packaging inspection, reducing waste, shipment damage, and cutting shipping costs by optimizing materials used for packaging. Maintaining regulatory compliance. AI algorithms can analyze compliance data, detect potential non-compliance issues, and provide process improvement suggestions to aid GMP and regulatory compliance. In essence, AI is revolutionizing pharmaceutical packaging and labeling, bolstering efficiency, accuracy, traceability, and compliance, leading to improved product quality and patient safety. At SolutionsMax, our dedication lies in enabling our customers to embrace this transformative technology early on in pharmaceutical packaging and labeling through our flagship ecosystem solution, PharmaMax. Explore deeper insights on pharmamax.org. Engage with our diverse knowledge management initiatives by visiting pharmamax.org. Here, discover and adapt to a plethora of resources tailored to empower you across different domains. Remember, learning here can open doors to endless possibilities. Introducing PharmaMax Ecosystem Solutions, your all-inclusive platform designed to manage the entirety of the pharmaceutical supply chain. Say goodbye to pricey corporate solutions and embrace our one-stop solution tailored for your firm. Experience top-notch support services from world-class engineers who are dedicated to guiding you every step of the way.